9 out of 10 drivers have no clue their cars can do these things, and one of these hacks could literally save you thousands in repairs. But here's the twist. Most of these tricks are built right into your car, and you've been ignoring them for years. Whether you drive a brand new SUV or a decade-old sedan, these hidden features, overlooked habits, and clever DIY fixes can make your car run smoother, last longer, and even protect you from theft or damage. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know 17 car hacks that even mechanics don't talk about. Let's start with number 17. And trust me, you'll never look at your car the same way again. You're walking out of the store, both hands full, one bag about to rip, keys buried in your pocket. You get to your car and realize you're stuck. But what most drivers don't know is that many modern cars have a hidden kick sensor built right under the rear bumper. Just wave your foot under it, and boom, the trunk pops open automatically like magic. No fumbling, no dropping bags, just one graceful motion that makes you look like a wizard in the parking lot. The system recognizes your key fob in your pocket and activates instantly. And here's something even cooler. You can customize how high the trunk opens to prevent it from hitting low garage ceilings. Check your car's settings or owner's manual. You might already have this feature waiting to be discovered. Simple, clever, and something you'll never want to live without again. Those foggy yellowed headlights, they're not just ugly, they're dangerous. Studies show that oxidation can reduce light output by up to 40%, making it harder to see hazards at night. But here's the hack. You don't need an expensive restoration kit. All you need is regular white toothpaste. Rub it onto your headlights in circular motions and watch as years of grime and oxidation polish away. The mild abrasives in toothpaste act like a gentle buffer, restoring clarity in minutes. Rinse it off, and suddenly your headlights look brand new. Mechanics charge $50 to $100 for this service. You just did it for under $1. More visibility, more safety, and a lot more money left in your pocket. Now, for something that could actually save your car from being stolen. Thieves have discovered a disturbingly simple trick using a small coin, usually a nickel or dime. They wedge it into your car's door handle, jamming the locking mechanism. When you press your key fob, it sounds like your doors lock, but one stays open, silently. You walk away thinking your car's secure, but it's not. The thief comes back, removes the coin, and gets in with zero effort. Before you leave your car, take 2 seconds to glance at your door handles. If you see anything wedged in there, a coin, plastic, or debris, remove it and double-check your lock manually. It's such a tiny habit, but it could save you from a nightmare situation. Sometimes, the smallest hacks prevent the biggest losses. You've been sitting in traffic, sweating behind a diesel truck that's spewing smoke. Your AC is on full blast, but it feels weak. See that little button with a car and a circular arrow? That's not just decoration, it's your recirculation mode. And it's one of the most misunderstood buttons in every vehicle. When you press it, your AC stops pulling in air from outside and starts reusing the cleaner, cooler air already inside. That means colder temperatures, faster, and less strain on your system. Tests show this can improve cooling performance by up to 20% in hot weather. It also filters out pollutants, exhaust, and that farm field smell that sneaks into your cabin. Use it in heavy traffic or hot weather, but remember to turn it off occasionally to keep your air fresh. This little button can save your lungs, your comfort, and your AC's lifespan all at once. Automatic car washes are convenient until they destroy your mirrors. Those spinning brushes and high-pressure jets can easily catch a mirror and rip it apart. That's a $300 fix for something totally preventable. Here's what most drivers never realize. Most modern cars have foldable mirrors, often with a button right on the door panel. Push it once, and your mirrors safely tuck in before you enter the wash. Even better, many cars allow you to enable auto fold, so your mirrors fold automatically when you lock the car. It's such a small step, but it saves hundreds of dollars in potential repairs. Next time you're about to pull into that drive-through wash, take 2 seconds and fold them in. Your wallet will thank you. D40, the miracle in a can. It's not just for squeaky doors, light scratches on your paint, rust creeping around your bumper. Spray a little WD-40, wipe gently, and you'll be stunned. It penetrates oxidation and grime, making fine scratches fade or vanish. For rust spots, it breaks down corrosion and stops it from spreading further. No, it won't fix deep damage. But for surface flaws, it's a cheap, effective fix that buys you time. And that's not all. WD-40 removes sticker residue, tar, and even helps free stuck bolts. One $5 can, dozens of uses. Keep it in your trunk. It's the one tool every driver ends up needing sooner or later. You've probably seen it. That small button labeled ECO or ECON. Most people assume it's a gimmick. It's not. When you activate it, your car automatically adjusts how aggressively it accelerates when it shifts gears and how much power your AC consumes. The result? Better fuel economy, often up to 10 to 15% improvement. That might not sound like much, but over a year, it adds up to real savings. Your car might feel a bit slower off the line, but for normal driving, you won't notice. What you will notice is that your gas tank lasts longer and your car runs smoother. So the next time you're on a long drive, hit that eco mode. It's free money every mile. Your car smells lived in. Coffee spills, gym bags, fast food runs, it all adds up. Before you book a $100 detailing appointment, try this. Grab a box of baking soda, sprinkle it on your seats and carpets, let it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuum. Baking soda absorbs odors and lifts stains naturally. No chemicals, no residue. For tougher spots, mix it into a paste with water and scrub lightly. Once it dries, vacuum again. You'll be amazed at how fresh your car feels. It's cheap, safe, and surprisingly powerful. Your nose and your wallet will thank you. You're walking to your car at night and something feels wrong. You grab your keys. That red button isn't just for finding your car. Press and hold it. Your alarm blares, lights flash, and attention instantly turns your way. It can scare off threats or attract help when you need it most. Some cars even have multi-press modes for extended alarms or to trigger specific lights. In an emergency, medical, security, or otherwise, that button becomes a lifeline. Keep your key fob accessible, especially at night. It's one of the simplest safety features you hope you'll never need, but you'll be glad it's there if you do. You're sitting in your car waiting for someone. You want to charge your phone or listen to music, but running the engine wastes fuel, and turning the key fully drains the battery. Here's the hidden middle ground, accessory mode. Turn the key one click before ignition, or press the start button once without pressing the brake. That powers your car's electronics, radio, charger, and even your infotainment system without starting the engine. It's efficient, quiet, and battery-friendly. This mode is perfect for quick breaks, pickups, or just relaxing with music. It's built into almost every car, yet most drivers never use it. Tiny feature, huge convenience. It's 100 degrees outside. You blast the AC straight at your face, but you're doing it wrong. Cold air sinks. If you aim your vents upward toward the roof or windshield, the air circulates faster through the cabin. That means your car cools down quicker and more evenly. Once the interior temperature drops, then point the vents back toward you. This small change reduces the strain on your AC system, extending its life and lowering repair costs. It's a perfect example of how a tiny adjustment can make a big difference, both in comfort and longevity. Yes, WD-40 makes another appearance, but for a totally different reason. Your car's electrical connections, battery terminals, fuse boxes, sensor plugs, are constantly exposed to moisture. That leads to corrosion, misfires, and mystery error codes that cost hundreds to diagnose. A quick light spray of WD-40 creates a moisture-repelling barrier. It keeps terminals clean, prevents corrosion, and ensures stable electrical connections. Do this every few months, especially before rainy or snowy seasons. It's preventative maintenance that costs pennies and can prevent headaches later. If you've ever driven through a swarm of bugs, you know how brutal it gets. Your windshield looks like a battlefield, and regular soap barely makes a dent. The secret weapon? Dryer sheets. Wet one, then gently rub the splattered area. The anti-static agents in dryer sheets dissolve bug residue without scratching the paint. It's fast, cheap, and smells good too. Keep a few in your glove box for summer road trips. You'll never dread bug cleanup again. Bonus, used dryer sheets work just as well, so reuse them after laundry day. Got a small dent on your door or fender? Before you hand $300 to a body shop, grab a plunger. Yep, a regular household plunger can pop out shallow dents using suction. Wet the edge, press firmly, and pull. The pressure difference often pulls the metal back into place. It won't fix deep creases, but for door dings or parking lot dents, it works shockingly well. It's free, fast, and oddly satisfying. Try it before paying for repairs. You've got nothing to lose. Foggy windshield? Constant wiping. There's a $2 solution sitting in your bathroom. Spread shaving cream on the inside of your glass. Wipe it clean, and that's it. It leaves behind a thin, invisible layer that prevents condensation. Divers have used this trick on goggles for decades, and it works beautifully on car windows too. Apply it once every few weeks during humid or cold weather, and you'll never have to battle fog again. Clear glass equals safe driving. Is your phone sliding all over your dashboard? Here's the low-tech genius solution. Take a thick rubber band or hair tie, loop it through one of your AC vents, and stretch it across. Slide your phone behind it. It holds snugly in place. No suction cups, no sticky mounts, no falling devices mid-drive. It's adjustable, removable, and costs nothing. Perfect for hands-free navigation or calls. Safe, smart, and simple. Every car owner has done it. Open the door too fast and bam! Chipped paint on the wall. Here's the fix that'll make you feel like a genius. Grab a pool noodle, cut it in half lengthwise, and mount it along the garage wall where your door touches. The soft foam cushions every impact, protecting both your wall and your car. It costs $1 and takes 5 minutes to install. You can even use extra pieces on tight corners or pillars. Simple, brilliant, effective. It's the kind of hack that once you use, you'll never stop recommending. So, how many of these did you already know? Maybe one or two. Every single hack in this list can save you time, money, or frustration. And most of them cost less than a cup of coffee. From toothpaste headlights to pool noodle garage guards, these tricks prove that sometimes the smartest car upgrades are the simplest ones. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this video actually helped you. And if you want more hidden car tips that mechanics never share, subscribe and tap the bell icon. Your next video, the car maintenance tricks dealerships don't want you to know. Click right here. You'll be thankful you did, because saving money isn't luck. It's knowing the hacks no one talks about.